Hi guys, I am back and it is Monday of week 7, our last full week of mobile learning. And we are going to be typing our final draft. Now, if you look at the last page of this chapter that we're working on, chapter 10, you will see that there's an oral component to this review. So when we meet on Friday, we'll be doing part of this oral review. Now, today what we're going to be doing is you are going to type your final draft. And it's going to be very similar to what you did for your research report. So, and I'd really like it if you guys would adhere to these directions, because last time what happened was you not all of you, but some of you did not do some of these things. So I would really love it if you would follow these directions, okay? So the number 1 direction, it needs to be typed. It needs to be double spaced, and I will show you how to do that so you will have a reference. It needs to be a readable font. What that means, it can be like Courier New, New Times Roman, something where it's readable. Nothing cursive, nothing flowy. I'm sorry, those of you who do those fonts and really love them, and I love those fonts too. I probably have 300 fonts in my pages to choose from. But I would like it if you would do a readable font for me. It needs to be 12-point font. The lettering, it has to be black letters. It looks really pretty and really cool when it's all different colors, but it has to be black letters. And it has to be set up the way you're shown how to do it, okay? And guess what? I'm going to show you how to do it today. So let's go to Pages. Now, if you're using Word or something, it's going to be very similar to this. But we're going to go to Pages. Oh my goodness, I have a million things open. I'm trying to teach myself how to play chess. Kind of cool, huh? We're going to go here, and I'm going to click on Pages if I find it. Oh my goodness, there it is. Okay. So here's Pages. Sometimes it takes a little while to come up. Oh, look, I have Keegan's on there. That's funny. So I'm going to go to Documents. I'm going to go to a new document, the plus sign at the top, a portrait, okay? And then what I'm going to do is press on the paintbrush. The paintbrush shows me a bunch of options. So I've got the body. I'm using Helvetica New. That's okay. We can use Helvetica. The size, look, I want to go to 12-point font. My text color is black. Perfect. It is aligned to the left. Perfect. Line spacing. Right here, this is where you want to go up to 2.0. Okay, I'm going to go back. And nothing else do we need to correct. So that is what you're going to do. It's going to be 12-point font, a readable font. Let's look here. You can choose like Helvetica. You can choose even Hoffler Text, Tifa. You can choose Georgia, even just something. Most of the time, people will say Times New Roman. I'm giving you a little bit of leeway with the typing, okay? So then we're going to come over, and we can see our cursor over on the left-hand side, and we're going to put our name. So don't put Shauna Rossini, but I'm going to put Shauna Rossini because that's my name. And if we've done this correctly, when we press Enter, it is already double spaced for us. Then we're going to put what the class is. English, so sorry that's so loud. English 5, let's see if I can get that to not be so loud. Okay, return. It was unsuccessful. It won't turn down right now. That's okay. Okay, English 5. Then we're gonna put my name because I'm your teacher. So you're gonna put Mrs. period, capital Rossini, Rossini. And then we're gonna put today's date. And today's date is May 11, comma, 2020. And then press Enter. If you need to, come back to this. This is a tutorial for you to learn how to set it up. So just come back to it if you have problems, if you're having trouble. Now, if you guys can see on the bar above the keyboard, on the right-hand side, you will see where it says the little a, big A, and then some lines. You're gonna press on those lines, and you're gonna say Center, because this is where we're going to put our title. Now you're going to title this. You can say book review. You can say You can title it this. If you choose, you can say Trouble at Silver Pines in Book Review. Or you can come up with a snazzy title. You can say All About Nick or Kite Flying at the Beach or just something, okay? You can come up with that, or you can just say Trouble at Silver Pines in Book Review. Then you're going to press Return. Okay, press those little lines again over on the right-hand side and go back to a line left. Then you need to indent. Now, sometimes if you're typing on an iPad, it's really hard to indent. For some reason, it just has trouble indenting. Let's see if I can indent here. Nope, it's not even working, and that's okay. So what you can do in that case is when you start a new paragraph, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just put 5 spaces, and then you can start typing your paper, whatever you've written for your paper. Okay? Make sure that in between paragraphs, let's say this is my paper, and I'm writing, oh my goodness, what in the world did I do? That's amazing. I'm writing my paper, right? Here's my paper. I'm trying to get to a new line. Okay, so here's my paper. Oh my goodness. I haven't wrote a word, that's pretty cool. So here's my paper, and I'm going and I go to a new line, and I don't know why there's a space there, but there is. Okay, and let's say at the end of that paragraph we put a period. Well, if I'm going to a new paragraph, guess what? Press return. This one didn't indent. Sometimes that happens. iPads are not very user-friendly, I think, sometimes, but that's okay. Go back here and press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's not working, but that's okay. So if it's not working for you, I think if I would have typed real words, it may have worked. But remember to indent with each new paragraph. Skip down to the next line, indent. Okay, so what you're gonna do when you're finished is you are gonna send this to me when you are done. Let's erase all this mumbo jumbo right here. I'm going to erase that. Okay, when you are finished, please send me to this email, shauna.rossini at christianunified.org. Please do not send it to the Christian Unified at g.christianunified.org. Let's see, christian unified.org. Okay. If you send it to the G dot, I will get it, but it's on my other computer, and I check this email more often. So after you've typed it out today, what I would like you to do, and it shouldn't be too difficult because you've already revised, you've already proofread, all you have to do is type it out today. Send it to me when you're done, and you are finished with this paper. Tomorrow, we will be doing chapter 10 review. Wednesday, we'll be doing a cumulative review, and then Thursday, you will take your last test in language. Okay, guys, I will see you tomorrow, and I can't wait to read your papers and your reviews. Bye.